challenging the status quo of what people understand to be Korean food, having a seasonally changing menu, using local ingredients. We're doing something a little different, and we're okay with that. My name is Ji Hye Kim. I'm the chef and managing partner at Miss Kim Korean Restaurant in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I started looking at a lot of Asian cookbooks. It's almost like exploring a brand new cuisine. If I do not understand the story of a dish, then I feel that I cannot do the dish the honor, and also will have a difficult time incorporating my part of the story, which is a Korean immigrant in Ann Arbor, onto the plate. I love the city aspect of Ann Arbor. I love having diversity of cuisine available, but sometimes I do need to clear my head and take a breather, and it's just amazing to have the nature setting that Ann Arbor offers, that I can go and walk my dog and look out the Huron River, and it really opens your eyes and clears your head. There are many 5Ks and 10Ks available, but my favorite one is Ann Arbor Dexter Run, which is followed immediately by Taste of Ann Arbor. So you run and then you get like an immediate reward. There's many food-related things that family can go to or friends can go to. There's a diversity of ethnic cuisine, and we're lucky to be in a city where so many people care about the food. Another fun thing about Ann Arbor and Michigan as a whole is that there's so many amazing brewers. The easiest collaboration is supporting the local brewer by carrying their beers, but we had gone beyond that. We'll get the brewer in and they'll be able to tell their story, which always goes really well with our story of being locally grown, caring about the quality, trying to incorporate more local ingredients to what we do. That's what traditional food dictates. You use the highest quality ingredients that's locally available in season, and you use that to bring the food to the people you love. I have very strict idea in my head and structure in my head and how to take all the inspirations, the local seasonal products, the farmers that I talk to, the people that I work with, the cookbooks that I study, and regional cookings that I visit, how that all comes together to tell a story, to create something on a plate. That's what it means to me to challenge everything and create anything.